Dear abroad going aspirants for abroad education, I am Professor Kodandramaya. I have been teaching for the last 30 plus years at different colleges and universities. Here I would like to counsel you about abroad education. There are four major countries: the USA, Canada, England, and Australia. If you are planning to go to the US, you have to spend 25 lakhs to 40 lakhs for 2 years of education. You may complete within 18 months. It depends on your speed of learning subjects and taking examinations. And in the US, you can earn money for your livelihood. And you should not pay your semester fee from your part-time jobs. And in England, you need to pay only first semester fee from India after getting a seat in a British university. You have to pay fee first, later you have to attend the visa interview. After going to England, you can earn minimum 2.5 lakhs to 3 lakhs per month. You can do 3 part-time jobs per head. My earnest request is you should not select the universities which are in London and in the suburban areas of London because the cost of living is more. You know pretty well that the rents in apartments either in London city or in the suburban areas of London, the rents of apartments are higher, and even the traveling expenses are more if you stay in the suburban areas of London city, if your university is situated either in London city or in the suburban areas of London. You better to select some universities which are located in small towns where more part-time jobs are available, better education is available, and you can do MS for 1 year or 2 years. In the same manner, MBA or M Pharmacy you can choose for 1 year course or 2 year courses. And in MS there are different specializations. Take for example, there are four major branches in India in BTech. You know, electrical, mechanical, civil, computer science, and the fourth one is also there, that is ECE. So the most demanding subjects for employment are cyber security, data science, internet of things, and some other subjects are there. There are only four major. So if you can study among these, any one among these four subjects, you can get higher payments or highest payments. So as far as my knowledge goes, it is better to go to England, and if you get a seat for 2 years course, you can get visa for 5 years. Within 5 years, you can do different kinds of part-time jobs and you can complete your course within 1 or 2 years, and you can mint money like anything. So most of the students, those who are going to abroad, their first target is education and the second target is money. Both can be fulfilled, and if you can get a degree from England, you can work anywhere in the world. Within 5 years of time, you can search for a job either in England Australia, Canada, or the US, wherever your skills are recognized in interviews. So, whenever you plan to go abroad, you can contact me on this number which is given on the screen 9493803066. I am Professor Kodandramaya. You can call me between 10:30 a.m. and 5 p.m. I can counsel you well. If you are planning to go to Australia, you have to get ready with minimum 10 lakhs of amount. In the same manner for Canada also minimum requirement is 10 lakhs of rupees. If you are planning to go to the US, you have to spend minimum 25 to 40 lakhs of rupees, and this amount is only for university fee. In the US, you can earn money by doing part-time jobs, or if you are very intelligent, you can become a teaching assistant and a lab in charge. In this manner, in the US, you can earn money for livelihood from your part-time jobs. But the scene in Canada and Australia are different. Only first semester fee can be sent from India, and you can work, earn and pay your second, third and fourth semester fees. So whenever you get a doubt, you can call me. I can counsel you well, and we can process bank loans because our managing director is a retired bank officer. He knows well how to procure bank loans. On the other hand, we can help you to get SC, ST, BC and OC scholarships. You need not repay these scholarships to the governments. Like this, there are different universities in the world which offer scholarships also. Maybe 100% scholarship, 75% scholarship, 50% scholarship, or 25% scholarship. And some universities are ready to give not only 100% scholarship, but also even for the livelihood, the universities are ready to offer you. Wish you all the success. May God bless you. You can contact me on this number. Wish you all the success. See you in the next video.